everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for July 13th, 2022. PepsiCo raises profits and prepares to hike prices. PepsiCo Inc. raised its full-year earnings forecast Tuesday and said it may still raise prices in the coming months. That said, the beverage giant noted little impact on demand for its sodas and snacks despite decades of high inflation. Pandemic-induced disruptions in the global supply chain and soaring raw material costs have forced PepsiCo, like other packaged food manufacturers, to raise prices for its products, and some retailers have opposed the increases, citing declining consumer demand. While packaged food companies are approaching a ceiling on price increases, PepsiCo and Coca-Cola Co. probably have a higher limit on how much they can raise prices because of lack of competition and dominant market share, said CFRA research analyst Aran Sundaram. The company's second quarter net income rose 5.2% to $20.23 billion, beating estimates of $19.51 billion, according to Refinitiv. PepsiCo said it expects core revenue in fiscal 2022 to grow 10%, up from a previous forecast of 8% growth. Its shares were trading 0.57% lower as of Wednesday morning. Shiba Inu overtook Polygon by market cap. The token Shiba Inu has become one of the leaders in growth after selling off over the weekend. Its price is currently down 5.69%. With a current market valuation of $5.66 billion, Shiba Inu surpassed Polygon's valuation of $4.5 billion to become the 14th largest coin. However, SHIB has last 24-hour trading volume that matic, according to CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, despite the recent price drop, the number of Shiba Inu holders continues to grow. According to Whale Stats, that number rose to $1.619 million, surpassing the FTX token in terms of dollar holders. matic, Polygon's native blockchain asset, is trading up 2.85% at a current price of $0.5708 amid continued volatility in the cryptocurrency market. The latter came after further selling pressure in May 2022 when Bitcoin plunged to a low of $17,500. Over the past 24 hours, most altcoins have experienced significant declines. As of publication, many of the top 100 altcoins have lost 20% to 50% in the past 7 days. Gold price rises ahead of U.S. inflation data. The yellow metal rose Wednesday morning in Asia as the U.S. dollar, which normally moves inversely to gold, strengthened ahead of U.S. inflation data for June, which is expected to reach a record high. Gold futures rose 0.06% to $1,726.00. As for other precious metals, silver was down 0.30%, platinum jumped 0.36%, and palladium was down 0.11%. Meanwhile, yields on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury rose, reducing demand for non-revenue gold. Investors are now waiting for the U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) due out later in the day to get more hints about the U.S. Federal Reserve's monetary policy course. Analysts had predicted that the index would peak in June from a year earlier, the biggest jump since 1981. The CPI data could fuel investor expectations of a 75 basis point interest rate hike by the U.S. Federal Reserve later this month, as the U.S. Central Bank seeks to moderate inflation. In the Asia-Pacific region, South Korea's central bank joined its global counterparts in holding a historic half-point interest rate hike earlier in the day to bring down soaring prices.